This is where we are camping at the campsite, and the view is just breathtaking. That thing because I'm at camping with my friend and her dad. I asked the dad to put the toothbrush in my backpack and decided to put it in the dog food bag. Thanks for that. Now I'm gonna have to scrub that clean because there's no way that's going on my teeth. We are driving the Polaris around the fields. We do have permission from the farmer to do this because it is my friend's plot of land, so we were just driving around on the Polaris, just kind of having fun, and almost crashed into a tree. Thankfully we avoided the crops. We would have been in a lot of trouble if we got the crops, but thankfully we didn't. It's an horticulture farm, so it's really low-key out here, and obviously it's where I pretty much grew up. So this is second nature really to me, and it's really great to go back from the city to the countryside just to relax and enjoy the views. My friend is taking the mick out of how I'm driving at the moment, even though they've not had driving lessons, but that's why they're taking the mick out of me, because I've had driving lessons and I'm currently driving like an old grandma apparently. But to be fair, there was no road and it was bumpy and it was grass and it was very uneven, so I was worried that one of us was going to tip out of the Polaris. We did not take Maisie on this route because she wouldn't have been able to keep up, but we took the border collie that was on site and she loved it. We got to pet the neighbours' donkeys, which were absolutely incredible. Obviously I gravitated towards the one that was just running towards me, and bless her, she followed me all the way up to the gate when we went to see the sheep. But yeah, it was really nice to give them some fuss and lots and lots of cuddles, and yeah, it was just really lovely. I know that these donkeys are rescue donkeys, which makes it even more special, and it's just so nice to see the donkeys that are really calm and just so friendly, and you can tell they're well looked after. We went up to the sheep field and obviously got to see a lot of sheep, but we were looking at to see if we could find one specific sheep that we were trying to look out for. Apparently it normally comes to find you when you're on the farm, but I think because they don't really know us, obviously they didn't come up. In fact, I think they were backing off as soon as we entered the gate to the field. We walked back to the campsite. I went to check on Maisie, then offered to help prep the food, and yeah, we just sat down and had something to eat whilst looking at the stars, which was really, really nice actually, because when you're out in the field they're more visible because of less light pollution, and it's just a stunning view. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed the camping vlog, and I really enjoyed actually making this and seeing it all back, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.